Here are some of the best washer and dryer options for 2024 based on performance, features, and customer reviews. I'm going to leave it all in the description. If you want to hear me talk, here we go. Best washers. Number one, the LG WM4000HWA. It's a front load. It's a large capacity, smart technology, steam cleaning, and energy efficient. Number two, the Samsung WF45T6000AW. It's a front load, affordable, high efficiency, built-in water heater and self-cleaning. Number three, the Whirlpool WTW8120HW. The type is front load. The features is large capacity, impeller design for better cleaning and smart features. Now the best dryers, okay? These are really all the best of the best. Number one, the LG DLEX4000W. It's electric, smart capacity, smart technology, steam drying, and energy efficient. Number two, the Samsung DVE45T6000W. It's affordable, large capacity, multi-drying settings, and energy efficient. Number three, the Whirlpool WED8120HW. It's electric, smart features, large capacity, and moisture sensing technology. Then you got the combo units. Number one, the LG WM3488HW. It's a washer dryer combo. It basically, the features are it's compact, it's efficient, it offers both washing and drying in one unit. Number two is the Samsung WF45R61000AW and DVE45R6100C. That's a pair. It's a front load washer and dryer. Great performance, smart features, and reliable efficiency. Now here are the considerations. The capacity. Choose a size that fits your household needs. Okay. Look for energy efficiency, smart steam options, and smart technology. For the space, consider whether you need to stack or a unit or compact unit. And basically, researching and reading reviews can help you choose the model that's best suits your specific needs. So, yeah, there you go. There's the homework done.